So we are still continuing. Let's go to number 71. We have evaluate log 343 in base 7 is equal to log 343 in index form is 7 raised to the power of 3. So let's bring the 3 in front. This is 3 log 7 in base 3. So the answer is 3. And we say that any number to its base is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. So we go to number 72. The first term of a GP is 64. So the first term of a GP, that is A, is 64. And the fifth term, that is T5, is 4. So remember that the nth term of any AB is T of n is equal to A r raised to the power of n minus 1. So T5 is equal to our A is 64. That is times our R is common ratio. Then this is the term we are looking for, the 5. So we have 5 minus 1. So the fifth term was given to us as 4 is equals to 64 r raised to the power of 5 minus 1 is 4. Let's divide both sides by 64. So we have this can be reduced as 1 over 16. That is 1 over 16 is equals to r raised to the power of 4. Which you know that this is raised to the power of 4. So if this power comes here, it's 4th root. So what number? This is 4th root of 1 is 1. 4th root of 16 is 2. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is 16. So our common ratio is 1 over 2. So sometimes the information given in the question, some information or an information may not be applicable. Like you can see, if the sum of all terms is 1 to 8, you don't need it. What you're looking for is common ratio. Let's go to number 73. We have what is the smallest prime factor? 4760. From the option given there, we are given 3, 5. So the 3 cannot go into this. What can go? The smallest prime factor that can go is 5. Apart from 2, the next smallest is 5 from the option given there. So we go to 74. P, this is variation. P varies inversely. That is, P varies inversely as Q. That is 1 over Q. So let's introduce a constant. This is K over Q. K times 1 is K. So P is given as 10. P is given as 10. P is given as 10. So let's start. We have 10 is equals to K over, and Q is 3. We'll cross multiply. Therefore, our K is equals to 10 times 3 is 30. Let me continue from here so that we'll have enough space to solve. So going by this is number 74. That is P inversely is varies inversely. Okay, let's continue. Once you get the constant, you put it here to get a relationship between them. So we have P is equals to, instead of K, we have 30 now. So we have 30 over Q. Then with this, you can be able to solve any kind of question that will follow. Find P when Q is 6. So P is equals to 30 over 6, which is equals to 5. Number 75. The sum of 6 plus 1/3 of x, that is 1 over 3x, is 1 more than, is 1 more than twice, is 1 more than, okay, this is 1 plus more than twice, that is 2x. So let's go, let's multiply each of these terms by 3. This is 3 bracket 6 plus 3 bracket 1 over 3x equal to 3 bracket 1 plus 2x. I just want to eliminate this fraction. 3 will cancel 3. 3 times 6 is 18 plus 1 times s is x is equal to 3 times 1 is 3 plus 3 times 2s is 6x. Collecting like terms, 18 minus 3 is equal to 6x minus x. 18 minus 3 is 15 is equal to 5x. Dividing both sides by 5, therefore our x is 3. And that is all for now.